Hello everyone and welcome to the third tutorial about C++. In this tutorial we'll talk about the if instruction. The if instruction is useful when you want to put conditions. And let's start the programs. Open the compiler, the C++ compiler. There is the C#, C++ here. New project. Empty project. And we'll say his name. I think this will be a short tutorial because it isn't hard. New item, C++ file with the section .cpp. Enter the name source.c++ and add. So let's make a program which so we have a number, yeah, and if the number is 2, show on the screen the number is 2, and else the number isn't 2. Let's do it. And then I'll explain you everything. Okay, so here we have a number, and that's the if condition, and it says if a equal 1, cout a equal 1, and else if e different 1, cout a isn't 1 is a. Let's start. I forgot this. And it will show on the screen the message a equal 1. Yeah, let's do something like that. To be easier to read. And it says a equal 1. Press any key to continue. And if I change the value of a, for example, I write here 7, a isn't 1, it's 7. Press any key to continue. Because here a equal 1, the condition is that, and the result is that, and if a different 1 the result will be that. Now if I want to do more conditions in if, I must write this. For example, here yes, in the conditions, if we want to do more than only a command or a function, we'll write them and what we want to do. Yeah, I forgot that a isn't 1, it's 1. Yeah, and you see. Now if we want to say if a equal 1 or b equal 1 to do this condition, let's declare b equal 2, and here we want to do that condition if a equal 1 or b equal 1 to do that. We'll write here that and b equal 1. Yeah, okay. And here it says a equal 1 and b equal 2, and it says here if a equal 1 or b equal 1 do that, and we have that here a equal 1, so the condition is true. But if a equal 2 and b equal 1, the condition will be true again because b equal 1, and that happens. But here it says a, but not right now. But if there aren't, if they are 2 and 2, the condition is false. Yeah, a isn't 1, is 2. But here, if we want to say if a equal 1 and b equal 1, we'll write that to that sentence be true, it must a equal 1 and b 1. If a equal 2 and b 1, that sentence will be false. So if these two numbers are 1, is true. If these two numbers are different, is false. If only a number is different, is false. Yeah, you see. Here these are two numbers, and here the condition is true. But if a equal 1 and b equal 1, that will be false, you'll see. Yeah, a isn't 1, is 2, and that's these are the conditions, not hard, and yeah, see you soon.